All right, I'm about to show you 5106 Dufferin in Arlington, Texas. Very quiet neighborhood. Gonna love this landscaping. And it even has a basement. All right, so the downstairs, we have living room with a fireplace. Lots of shade trees in this house. This is the dining room and kitchen. Kitchen has stainless steel electric stove, dishwasher, microwave. Check out this backyard. Big storage unit. Let me just open the back door. I want to come have coffee out here. Got river rock going through the yard. Got this wonderful shed, large shed. There's a deck down there. There's bench seating here, 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 and then along that deck back there. Monkey grass. Lovely, lovely landscaping here. Not too much yard to have to mow. And this elevated back patio. And there's the window to the basement. Here is the entry to the garage from the backyard. Let's go in and check out the inside. All right, so downstairs you just have the living room. Nice size living room. And then your dining room with that bay window looking out into the backyard. And then your kitchen. It will need a refrigerator. You have your pantry, and this is your laundry. Electric dryer, hookups, washer. This is your 2-car garage. Plenty of room out here. All right, let's go take a look at the basement. Oh, sorry, forgot about this half bath. The downstairs has a half bath, and it's got a closet for storing your towels and whatnot. Go down to the basement. It's very rare that you find a basement here in North Texas. It is a finished basement. It does have air and heat. Some built-ins over here. And a storage closet. Oh, and that's where the hot water heater is. Nice large hot water heater. And that's where your central air and heat is. All right, and let's go upstairs. All right, at the top of the landing, we have this beautiful large mirror. Lots of natural lighting coming in to light the stairwell. And one bedroom right here. Closet, view of the yard. I'm sorry, of the front, of the street in the front yard. Wonderful tree, lots of shading. We have one bathroom, pedestal sink, Tiled out tub shower combo. Linen closet. Add a bedroom over here. Closet with built-ins and a view of the backyard from the second floor. All the bedrooms are upstairs and the full bathrooms are upstairs. This is the master. Nice walk-in closet. Large walk-in closet. Back up so I can see how big that is. Large walk-in closet. View of the backyard and the decks. And then we have the master bath with tiled out shower, tub combo, and a beautiful, beautiful sink vanity. Okay, if you're interested, give me a call, 903-445-6023. Let me get you another look at this master bedroom. Very nice size. Okay, that's it.